Hello. Welcome to Kinderbook number 4. Are you ready? Let's start.
Noodles. Noodles. I like noodles. I like noodles. Bread. Bread. I like bread. Curry. Curry. I like curry. I like curry. Pasta. Pasta. I like pasta. I like pasta. Broccoli. Broccoli. I like broccoli. I like broccoli. Cheese. Cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. Pizza. Pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. Rice. Rice. I like rice. I like rice. Steak. Steak. I like steak. I like steak. Eggs. Eggs. I like eggs. I like eggs. Cookies. Cookies. I like cookies. I like cookies. He's a police officer. He's a police officer. He's a police officer. She is a police officer. She's a police officer. She's a police officer. She is a doctor. She's a doctor. She's a doctor. He is a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. He's a teacher. She is a teacher. She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She is a firefighter. She's a firefighter. She's a firefighter. He is a firefighter. He's a firefighter. He's a firefighter.
So, in today's lesson, we were having a look at I'm cooking. Okay? I'm cooking. Okay? And we were having a look at what are you cooking? What are you cooking? Okay? So, you can say something like I'm cooking pizza. Maybe I'm cooking pizza. La 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 solo mio. Okay? Or I'm cooking curry. Cut the vegetables. Stir the curry mixture. Okay? I'm cooking curry. Alright? Or you could have I'm cooking a cake. So mix the eggs, flour, sugar, butter. Mix. Okay. I'm cooking a cake. Okay? Or if you just had like, I don't know, anything. Okay? I'm cooking. So, the first part of your homework, we're going to have a look here, okay? You have lots of ingredients, okay? So here we have an onion, some potatoes, chicken, carrots, okay? Which dish are you cooking? Which dish are you cooking? Join up. Which dish you're cooking, okay? And then we have tomato, green peppers, cheese, corn. Which dish are you cooking, okay? Join up. And then down here we have strawberries, egg, flour, sugar, and butter. Okay, which dish are you cooking? Okay, and then down here we have tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, and you said the answer then. Cucumber. Okay, so which dish are you cooking? Which dish are you cooking? Join it up, right, and then practice saying I'm cooking pizza, or I'm cooking a salad. Okay, or I'm cooking a cake. Okay.
It's quiz time!
So, once you've done that, we're going to have a look at the next part, okay? Here we have pizza, salad, cake, curry, pasta or spaghetti, either one's okay, cookies and noodles, okay? Please circle which one I'm cooking. I'm going to give you some hints, okay? Alright, so, the first one I'm cooking is a dessert, okay? It's a dessert. I'm cooking a dessert. I'm cooking something sweet, okay? Alright, and I've got some butter. And I mix the butter with sugar. Mix the butter with sugar. Okay, put some vanilla essence in. Mix. Okay, now I've got some flour, okay? Put the flour in. Some eggs. Okay, mix everything together. And then last thing I'm going to put in is I'm going to put chocolate chips. Okay, chocolate chips, and maybe some nuts, some peanuts or some walnuts or macadamia nuts, some nuts inside. And then I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna roll it into little balls and push the balls flat. Okay, I'm gonna take the mixture and roll it into little balls and push the balls flat. Okay, so which one do you think I'm cooking? I'm cooking. Which one do you think? Okay. Circle one of them, and we'll do the next one next, okay? Alright. Okay, so, this time I'm cooking something not sweet. It's not sweet, okay? This time I have got some tomato sauce. I've got some meat, and I've got some long, thin, yellow, something. Okay, and I'm going to put this in hot water and boil it, and then tomato and meat and maybe some onion, garlic, carrots, mix it all together. What am I cooking? Okay, la la la, then take this hot long thing out, put put it on the plate, then put the sauce on the top, the red sauce on the top. What am I cooking? What am I cooking? What do you think? Which one do you think? Which one do you think I'm cooking? Which one do you think I'm cooking? Okay. Alright then. Okay. We're gonna do one more. Okay? Alright. Okay. Last one. This time I'm cooking something Japanese. Okay? So, I'll show you the action, okay? So I take this and I fold it, and then I fold it, and then I get a big knife, and then I go. And then I've got all these long, thin, white things this time, and like that. Okay? And then I put them in hot water, and they boil. And then I take them out, put them in a bowl, okay? And put like some kind of soup over the top, and then maybe some tempura in the top, or something else on top, okay? And then I eat it like this. Okay, so what am I cooking? What am I cooking? Okay? Alright, circle which one you think the answer is. And then part 3, I'm going to show you how to do that part of the homework, okay? Alright.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, so last one, you should have this box at the bottom, okay? And we're going to try and give a quiz to Masa. We're going to try and give Masa a quiz, okay? I want you to think of something that I'm cooking, and then I'd like you to write the same as this, or draw the same as this in here, okay? So draw some ingredients in here, okay? And then next week, we're going to give Masa a quiz. What am I cooking? What am I cooking? Okay? So draw some ingredients in here, and then next time in the lesson, we'll have a look. Okay? Alright. Good job for now. Rock, scissors, paper next, okay? Okay.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, okay.
Rock,
Way too close.
paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Did you win? Did you lost? If you lost, you said, I lost. If you win, I win. You need to say it. Okay? Bye. Next, me. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3. See you next time.
I'm cooking. What are you cooking? I'm cooking pizza. I'm cooking a cake, like